Hello, my name is Maggie and welcome to my beauty log. Today we are doing chocolatey lips and pink eyeshadow. So let's get into it. To start off, first I'm so sorry about my lighting, but also I need to do a lot for this skin. I got this massive pimple that I need to work on. So first off, let us put our change maker primer on. This is from Bite Beauty. This is going all over the skin to act as a shield, to protect my skin from anything that I lay on top of it. All right, so after that is on and I put this everywhere, I'm going to go ahead and work on my pores. So I am using one size. This is just like a sticky pore primer. This is going in just the areas that I have large pores, and I'm not dealing with my pimple just yet. I'm going to deal with that next. For that, I am taking the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This, I'm going to use a pencil for my spot here and anywhere else that is raised. That way, it's a smooth canvas. So, again, I'm dealing with texture, so I'm putting this primer so that it could fix any of the texture areas. All right, now I'm going to fix the tone. So I'm going to go into my Bite Change Maker Foundation. This one is my new favorite, and just taking a dollop of that, using a brush to put it on everywhere in the skin. This is going to help with the tone of my skin so that everything is one blank canvas with even tone and texture. So that's what I always look for with primers, is texture, and with my foundation is tone. I'm going to highlight using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is going to go in the under eye area as well as on all the spots that I have, and I'm going to use it to highlight the skin as well. I have like a lighter foundation, so I'm going to use this concealer to really highlight and make my skin a perfect canvas. I'm going to go ahead and go into this brow comb just to comb out the brows. If I had any kind of buildup from the lotion, primers, or foundation. I'm going to go ahead and just pencil in my brows. This is the Anastasia brow pen, and this is like a liquid liner for your brows. It's very different, but I really like it. It's super fast, and it helps me to go through these brows really quickly. Now I'm going to use a spoolie to brush it out, and if there's any buildup on any side, just make sure it's all distributed evenly. Now really quick, I'm going to go ahead and smooth out my concealer, or blend it out I should say. This is just a small concealer brush. It's densely packed and I really do like it. And yeah, I left the concealer on for a while because I wanted it to quote unquote bake. So I'm also using this as an eye primer as well. So it is serving all kinds of purposes today, from concealing to highlighting to priming my eyelids. All right, moving on. Next, what I'm going to do is just take this other pencil or brush so that I could really make sure that everything is distributed evenly. All right, now I'm going to use my loose setting powder to set that everywhere so that it doesn't move anywhere. And I'm using a big, dense, fluffy brush. All right, I think I poked myself in the eye. I'm using this Sephora powder to just hit my like highlighted areas. This powder had like a highlighting effect to it, which was really nice. Now I'm going to use a Ciate blush, and I am just using a big fluffy brush to blend that on to the tops of my cheeks. Then I'm using my Too Faced bronzer. This is like a hot chocolate one. I'll try to find the names for everything and list it down below. This smells like chocolate and I really love using it. Now I'm taking an angled brush to place that on the areas that I want to make appear lighter, or smaller I should say, or more contoured. All of my descriptive words are out the window. So yes, I'm just putting this all over the face that I want to contour. Now I'm going to go into my highlighter. This one is by Becca. It is in Moonstone, and I am just using a smaller like tapered brush to apply that to the tops of my cheeks. It is so nice. Becca really does have the best highlighters. Now I'm taking this Hourglass ambient lighting powder in this kind of flat brush to just put that in the under eye area. Everywhere I put the highlighter, because I want to smooth it out and make sure that none of my large pores stick out. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to go over my brows. Really quick, I'm taking the Tarte Maracuja lip balm for the lips. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Christmas in Paris palette, and I'm taking Bonjour Santa. It is like a magenta color, and I'm taking that in the crease and all over the lids, really going above the crease as well. And then I'm taking a smaller blending brush and placing that in the under eye as well. In that same small blending brush, I'm using this Elvis and the Eiffel color, and this is just going to add more pink to the crease area. And then I'm going to take a paddle brush and go into the color Twinkling Tower and just placing that on my lid area, like the movable part of my lid. This color I've been using so much lately. It's so pretty, and I really like the way it brings like pink to the eye. I'm taking that in the lower lash line as well. All right, moving on. I am going to go ahead and go in this Milani Brown Brow Gel. I think it's actually an espresso. It is a gel eyeliner pencil. And then I'm taking a small pencil brush and just blurring that line there. I'm going to go into this brown color. I do not know how to pronounce it. And just go over that brown gel liner, and then I'm going to take that liner on the waterline and the lower lash line as well. I want like this like kind of smoky look, but not really smoky. So yes, I'm going to do the same to the other eye and just take that brown shade again to blur that out. I wanted to do this like cat eye look. I want to show you the difference. This eye without the liner on the lower lash line looks a little bit lifted, and this one looks a little bit more angular. So it just depends on the look you're going for. I want to go for that more angular cat eye look. So that is it for the eyes for now. I'm going to go into this pinky shade. This is by Too Faced. It also smells so good. And I'm just going to go into that bonbon color, I believe that's what it's called. And just placing that on the inner part of the lid and also in that highlight tear duct area as well. Okay, so really quick, I want to show you a little trick that I've been doing for my lashes here recently. So first off, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to spend a lot longer of a time holding the lash wand to curl the lashes to hold the curl a little bit longer. So next, I'm going to take this brown like brow powder. And after I put on my mascara, so first is the mascara, keep that powder, brow powder handy. And I'm just going to kind of comb my lashes using this. And this is almost immediately after the mascara, I'm going to go ahead and put on that brown powder. If you do not have brow powder, go ahead and just use regular, any, chocolate eyeshadow. I'm going back into the Hourglass ambient lighting powder to get any fallout. Now I'm going to take a more voluminous mascara, and I'm just going to put that over the brown powder. This is really going to add the drama and the like thick lashes, sort of like the false lash effect. All right, moving on to the lips, and this is sort of the main event here. So I'm gonna put on my Bite lip liner. I recently got a new one since filming this, so I got the minted lip liner, and I really like that one too. This is Lipstick Queen in Chestnut, and what I really like about this looks brown is that it's a little bit red in tone, so it looks flattering on me. Okay, I'm blotting that away And now I'm going to put on a gloss. This one is by Too Faced. It's like a lip injections one. And I'm just placing that over the lips, the whole part of the lips. And this one is a little bit bluey in tone, so I like to mix the two. And I really like this look. It looks like I got into the Valentine's Day chocolates and started eating them. So let me know if you like this look. Let me know if you do anything similar. I'd love to hear how your Valentine's went. So I'll talk to you very soon.